Hello guys, welcome back to the channel ChandraAwesome. In today's video, we are going to learn about a simple tutorial which I'm done with the only sweep tool. Okay, here you can see this is some like a loop figure, and this is like some pattern and a loop. You can see there is a complete loop connected to each other, and I did this very simply just using the sweep tool only. I'm going to show you how to make this. Okay, this is for awareness, guys, how to work with the script, which is very useful for the CAD designers and modelers. Okay, without any delay, I'm just jumping into the tutorial. Okay, so how to design this. For now, here you can see the plus button. Click on it, and you will get a new tab for the design. So here, just click on create sketch, select different plane, and in the sketch tools, select the polygon, that is script polygon. Okay, and draw an hexagon and give some dimension of it, how much you want. Just like I'm going to give 50. Okay, and what I need to do is and here you can see the circle, right? On it and draw some of diameter you want, like. Okay, where is it? Okay, click on C for circle, drag it, and press T for dimension, and give how much dimension you want. Just for example, I am just giving 25. It is too big, right? So that's it. 10. Yeah, 10 or 1. Okay, I think that's enough. Now I'm going to pattern this. Instead of drawing every circle, just pattern. Here you can see the circle pattern. Click on it. Select the objects. Select the center point, and give number. That is, we have 6, right? 6 vertices. So click on 6s and click on OK. Now we got the circles, and instead of I just want to make this into like a just want to make this to transfer imaginary lines, just like we did. Okay, well, let's see. And you can see construction. Yeah, here you can see. If you want to make the construction, just Control plus and click on every line. Select the every line by pressing the Control key and right click there, and you can see the normal or construction. So click on there, and normal lines converted into construction, construction lines converted into normal, just like vice versa. Okay, now what you need to do is just finish the sketch. Okay, now we got the lines. Now we need a path. Okay, so for that, on the sketch again, on the top plane, here you can see, yeah, and draw a circle. The circumference should match with the exact center or rhombus center, like this. Okay, now press T, give dimension how much you want. It is 125. I just want to give 100. Sorry, 100 mm. Okay, now finish the sketch. Now we have the profile as well as a path. Now what we need to do is we are in the solid tool. Okay, press this sweep tool. Select the sweep tool, and it should be a single path. Okay, and select the profiles if you want. Select the all profiles. Okay, and I'm selecting every profile I want, and I'm selecting the path circle. And see, we got a full circles now. So instead of this full circles, here you can see the distance 1 and 2, right? So what we can do is, right, change this just out. Because of this, the dimension is too much small. Let's edit the sketch and give the dimension to 150. Make sure it should be bigger, then only we can achieve this. Okay, now edit the sweep tool. Here you can see the editor feature, and to the point by 2.1. Sorry, don't press the enter Okay, let the switch it again, press 0.1 and go to 0.12. And you can see now we achieve this because of the lesser diameter we didn't get the shape. Okay, and we given now. What we can do here, I can say the twist angle, not the taper angle, twist angle, and give that angle to 30 degrees. Okay, and you can see it went up to 30 degrees as we know. Now what we need to do is just as we get the HO body right, now we want to press OK. Now what we are going to do now is we are going to pattern this all parts. Okay, just create first. Here you can see the pattern. Click on circle pattern and select the all bodies which you want. I'm selecting the all 6 bodies. Okay, and given the access to this sensor, and now give the count of exact 5 for it. And you can see when you give the count, the all are joined together. You can see it is also showing the imaginary one. If you give 6, it will get more. So make sure it give 5 because we have already one there. That's why we're going to give 5 count and press OK. And as you can see, now we achieved a one continuous loop. And for now, let's hide the sketches for now. And see, we have several bodies now. What do we need to do is make sure that all bodies into one single body. How we can do that? Just click on select button and drag it and select the all parts. And here you can see in the modify tool, the combine tool there. Click on it. Okay. Now press OK. Now this is the new body now, even though it's showing different parts. Let me show you, right? Here, see, every bodies are available, even though, but this is all became a one single body. Like this, you are going to make the loop or patterns designs just by using this twist tool. It is very useful, even though from we can observe that in SolidWorks we can make able to do such things, but in Fusion 360 also we are able to do such kind of designs now. Okay, so let's do the render for this now. It is very simple, it will not take your time. Just here consider there's an option. For the rendering option, we just need to do, there is a render option, right, under section. Click on it and it will take to the render studio like this. Okay, and close it now, we don't need that one. And you can see the appearances on it. And here in the previous one, I select the bronze. Okay, now I'm going to select the gold one. For the appearances, you can see we have the Fusion texture library, or else you can also import your favorite library. Okay, you can do that. I will explain later how to do it. Okay, and here you can have metals, right? Drop them out. Here I have several metals: aluminum, brass, bronze. I said the bronze before. I'm going to select the gold. Here is the gold here available. Drag on it and gold polish. Now you can attach this one. Select it and drag the gold to the body part, and see it will be get applied. Okay. So finally we apply the cloth. If you want a better, even you can also set the scene settings. Click on scene settings and you can see the solid one. You can change color to white as per you want and click on apply. Okay, or else you can change from solid color to click on OK, solid color to environment color. Based on this, for environment library we have several scenes. Even this also you can achievable. I'm just dragging and dropping the snow field, but here we're not getting a better view, right? So let's do the try leg and just try again and again. This is also not a good one. Let's do the photo booth. Yeah, I think this is somewhat better, right? Okay, if you want to get it better, better screen approach. Here you can also choose settings if you want. You can increase, you can decrease, you can increase the light, you can increase the exposure like this. Okay, and decrease the focal length, make sure for a getting better view for it. Right, and you can also change the flatten ground or reflections. You can also add that. Okay, now I set up the settings for the purpose. Now I want to do is here you can see the render in canvas render. Okay, we only have the one in canvas render, and here you can see the play button, right? So you will have to select it, or you can also reset it, and it will go into rendering. And you can see the rendering is going on. The number of items are also started counting. It takes time based on your computer configurations. If it is your battery system has a graphic card, it will make you render faster and more accurate. But I am running with the basic CPU, basically with the CPU only. I do not have any rendering for rendering in the behind. Okay, and you can see it's counting the good rendering one. I'm going to skip this rendering time because I don't want to make this into long video. Okay, hello guys. Here you can see the rendering is taking too much time. I'm just stopping here. Okay, if you have a better system, you can make sure it reaches to excellent. You get a better. Okay, and for stopping, click on it. And if you want to take the pictures better, you can see the capture picture option. Click on it, and you can see correct window size is only available. Click on OK, and we have the download option. Save to computer and click on save. It will save automatically into your computer system. Okay, that is how we can do that. And just select again and change to click on save. It will save automatically. So let's come into the design section again, and this is the one. This is the view I just changed, guys. Here you can do display settings and view style, and just want to shade with edges. So shade with the visual adjustment like this. Okay, like this you can make the designs just using the sweet tool. You can also make several designs, guys. If not possible, you can give the form, right? With the form also we can get the shapes. Like you can see, it's showing some designs how we can make the forms. Okay. So I hope you might like this tutorial, guys. If you really like it and understand the content, please do like, share, and subscribe our channel, guys, because it is really helpful and just trying to reach the whole region. I hope you might understand my intention, what I want to do with this videos. Okay, and thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice day.